So I'm looking at, this is the same section. So section, what section? 3.1? Okay, section 3.1. So let's say they give you this information. F of 3 equals 4. And the derivative of F of 3 is 2. Could you write the equation? I'll do the right equation of the tangent line and the normal line. So we're going to write the equation of the tangent line and then the normal line. At x equals 6. So tell me what's that information I need to give you? What is that? Okay, part of it does. So what's my slope? 4. No. 2. Why 2? Because the derivative is your slope of the tangent. Okay? So my slope will be the 2, because that's the derivative at 3. What is this? Y equals what? Oh, yeah, the Y. So it actually is a point. What is the point? 3, 4. 3, 4. F of x is 4. So f of x is talking about your y value, right? And this is my x value. So this is my point. This is my slope. Can you write your equation? I wrote 4 and 5. So you have to do y equals 4 equals. Okay, 4 equals 2 times 3 plus b. So b would be 2. So what was my equation? And this would be my tangent. Everybody agree? That's my tangent. Now how do I do my normal? That's not. So I'm still going to use the point 3, 4. And I'm going to use what slope? So I have y equals negative 1/2 x plus b. My y is 4. My x is 3. So negative 3/2. Add 3/2. I'm going to give you what? 11/2. So then my equation would be y equals negative 1/2 x plus 1/2. Now we're probably similar to that. Questions on one more time? We're not being nervous. Then another thing we're going to do is.
I have a question. What's the derivative?
The derivative is the slope of your tangent. So we were doing this last time. We were doing derivative last time. Okay, that's what I was wondering. Okay, so then I want the equation of the tangent line. At x equals 2 for this function. What do we do? Exactly what we were doing last time, wasn't it? So f of 2 plus 8. Over 8. And we're going to limit as 8 goes to 0. So, okay, 2 times 2 plus 8 squared minus 4 times 2 plus 8 plus 1. Hey, JD, did you put down that you were? All over 8. let's,
Wait, don't we still have the minus at the 2?
oh, I got you. Thank you. Minus 2 times 2 squared minus 4 times 2 minus that whole. I got off track. Okay, so this is going to be 4 plus 4h plus h squared minus, and then multiply that, minus 8 minus 4h plus 1 minus oh, did your 8 drop out? My 1 dropped out. We're going to divide everything by 8. So 8 plus 2h minus, well, let's combine them. Let me combine them. 2h squared plus 4h divided by 8. So if I divide by 8, I'll get 2h plus 4. What's the limit as h goes to 0? Now, what does the 4 represent? So we know our slope. Do we know the point? Okay, we know the x value of our point. How we find the y value? Plug it in up here. So y equals 2 times 2 squared minus 4 times 2 plus 1. Is that 1? So 2, 1. So now can we write the equation in that one?
Yeah.
Questions on one like that? So you have a problem similar to that. That's just crazy here to it. Like that. You guys do the same thing I did. Visualize this first. So let's say that I want the tangent and the normal equation for y equals 2 square root of x at x equals 9. What are you going to do? We want to know the limit as h goes to 0 of f of 9 plus h minus f of 9 all over h. So Anthony, you are here when we do the limit as well. So you're going to put in 2 times the square root of 9 plus h minus what? 2 square root of 9, which would be 6. So you're going to get 2 square root of 9 plus 8 minus 6. What do we do? Because right now, when we do the limit as h goes to 0, that would be undefined. So you're going to multiply by the conjugate of your numerator. What's the conjugate of my numerator? we do this. Let's see what we have on top. First term has first term. What's that gonna be? 2 times 2 times 2 is 4. What's square root of 9 plus 8 times square root of 9 plus 8?
9 plus 8.
What's gonna happen to my middle term?
You're gonna drop out.
That's what we wanted. That's why we multiply by the constant. Minus 36 all over h times my this one. So on the top, we're going to get 36 plus 4h minus 36. 36 will drop out. What happens to this h and that h? Will drop out too. So then we're doing the limit as h goes to 0 of 4 divided by this quantity. So that h is going to cancel out that h.
So
Yeah.
4 divided by 12.
Because 9 plus 0 is 9, square 9 is 3, so that's going to be 2 times 3. So that's going to give you 4/12, which is 1/3. That's going to be your slope, which is also the derivative at, they might write it this way, that's the derivative at 9. Okay? That's the formula that they'll write that. So then could you write your equation of your line?
Yeah.
The only thing is we need what? Y. You know your point. So x is 9. And then 2 times the square of 9 is 6. And we know our slope is 1/3. Okay, so you would use the point, what do we say, 96? And I probably don't need to do this again. So then you'd write your equation with that. And then what slope would you use for the normal? Questions on that? Okay, then, looking at page 101, on the bottom of that page, we were looking at the graph of f, and we were looking at the graph of the derivative of f, where we were taking the slope of the tangent line. Well, the derivative of your f is talking about the slope, and your slope is talking about your change, the changes that are happening in the actual graph. So what they want you to do, what you're going to do, and I'll let you do it all in one group. Okay, what you're going to do is look at page 102. It says, suppose the function in figure 3.3a represents the depth y in inches of water in a ditch alongside a dirt road as a function of time in days. How would you answer the following question? So you're thinking your x is your days. So here, x is the days for the whole week. Okay? And y is the depth of the water in the ditch. Okay? Then over here, we're still talking about days and the depth of the water over there too, right? The dirt road has a function of time in days and depth is y in inches of water in the ditch. So what you're going to do, you're trying to come up with a real world scenario of that data. So what I want you guys to do is answer their questions dealing with either talking about this graph and this graph. Okay? And write them down. But you don't, not everybody's writing down. We'll just have one person writing everything down. I don't know what's right now. And then you guys discuss it. Or I can just listen to your discussion and see your understanding. But I have to answer those two, so I might let you try to do it.